up everybody, Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing 6 different products from a American clothing company called YoungLA. I'll have their social media and their website linked down below. There's a bunch of different discount codes with that support different content creators. I use code TWIN to support the Trend Twins because I've been watching them for the last while, but I'll have some other codes pop up on the screen as well, so you can use any one of those. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't already, and yeah, let's get into it. So first, start off talking about YoungLA itself. So it's founded in 2014. They're based in Los Angeles, California. The owners are two brothers named Gurmer and Dashpreet Singh, and YoungLA sells men's and women's clothing and accessories, kind of primarily focused at sort of streetwear and fitness / lifestyle kind of gear. Yeah, next let's talk about the stuff that I ordered. Alright, yeah, so let's talk about what I ordered. So I got the red Gold's Gym hoodie along with the Gold's Gym Immortal sweatpants. So the hoodie is $88, and then the joggers are $82, and then I also got the red 730 Expedition backpack, which is $75 US. And I got the a t-shirt from the most recent YoungLA collaboration with the TV show The Boys on I think Amazon Prime. Yes, that t-shirt is $45, and then I got the Trend Tech red hat, which is in collaboration with the Trend Twins, and that hat is $28. Next, let's check out the products that I got. So I just switched into the stuff that I got. So this is the Trend Tech hat. I've got the Homelander Explosion t-shirt, so it says The Boys on the front, and then with Homelander, and then I'll show you the back after. And I got the sweatpants on. As far as sizing goes, I'm wearing large for the t-shirt. The hat is one size fits all, and then the sweatpants are size large, and then they also included this keychain for free with my order. And then I got the hoodie right here, also red to match the sweatpants. It says Gold's Gym, has their logo, and then yeah, nice heavyweight, good quality hoodie with no strings for adjusting the hood size, so it is what it is. And then the back, the logo, Gold's Gym, YoungLA. Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw this on real quick. Yeah, so now I'm wearing the hoodie. See the logo right there. Really cool, nice heavyweight hoodie. And then we got the backpack. I'm gonna do a separate video including this for my EDC essentials, what's in my backpack, because I haven't done a video like that in a while. So we'll get into this more, but it's got a bunch of different pockets, including a pocket on the back for a laptop or an iPad. So, and then a spot for a water bottle on the side. Yeah, but really solid backpack, good size for everyday use with a lot of pockets for storing different stuff. Yeah, and then we'll wrap up this video. So thanks for watching this video. Like I said, use code TWIN or Anomaly, Killjoy, or Ari to save some money on YoungLA's website. I'll have those codes written down below in the description, along with the website and social media. And I'll put some YouTube channels of the creators that I mentioned. Definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't done so already, because as I'm filming this video, I'm about to shoot a whole bunch more, so stay tuned for more videos coming soon. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.